Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you one of my most favorite Asian beauty products that I've been loving and using a lot. So let's get started. This blusher from Focallure Beauty is so pretty, it is so perfect, and the formula is just beginner friendly. It blends out easily. The product itself has glitters, but it makes my skin really healthy. Next we have this primer from Pera. It is so pretty. It has this velvety texture, and once applied on the skin it turns into this pretty lavender color. It is perfect for fighting dull skin. This moisture essence is honestly one of the best ever. I use this under my makeup and my makeup lasts all day long. My skin doesn't get oilier as it's so hydrated and moisturized. The product is so rich and creamy. I highly recommend you check it out. It is perfect for all skin types and it also improved my skin a lot. This is the Eternal Heart Blusher from O.TWO.O in the shade CB02. The brand sent me the wrong shade, but it is still a pretty color. The product comes with a stamp-on sponge and a cushion. The product is so pretty. It is so dewy and so glowy, and it blends out very easily. It is overall a very fun product to own and I recommend it. Now next up is this eyeliner from O.TWO.O. This eyeliner is super pigmented, heavy duty, long lasting, smudge proof. It does not smudge at all. This product is so amazing. I highly recommend you check this out, and the packaging is just bomb. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment your favorite beauty product, and you can get these products from YesStyle. You can use my code BLUSH30 to get a discount. Other links to support this channel are listed all in the description box.